And then, dire-diretso na daw yun papunta ng People's Park. Medyo nagkamali kami kasi meron din daw pala dun sa may rotonda na sakayan. Pero dito kami tinuro. Anyway, andito naman na kami, malapit na. Tara, samahan nyo kami sa People's Park. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, in today's video, we are here at PTEX. Dito tayo sasakay ng bus. And guys, nandito na tayo sa bus. Going to Tagaytay again. And guys, mas magandang pumunta ng Tagaytay ng weekdays kasi walang gaanong pasahero. Tingnan nyo, diba, yung bus, napaka-luwag at maraming empty seats. Guys, pag student from PTEX to Tagaytay is 100 pesos. Kapag regular price naman is 120 pesos. Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Tagaytay. And naglalakad kami papunta ng terminal. Galing kami dun sa may rotonda, kumain kami ng lunch. So, kung pupunta tayo ng People's Park, sasakay ng tricycle, 200 pesos. Pero, may other option naman. Sasakay tayo ng jeep mula dito sa terminal, and then, dire-diretso na daw yun papunta ng People's Park. Medyo nagkamali kami kasi meron din daw pala dun sa may rotonda na sakayan. Pero dito kami tinuro. Anyway, andito naman na kami, malapit na. Kaya, tara, samahan nyo kami sa People's Park. Pero kung sasakay kayo ng bus galing ng PTEX, baba na mismo kayo sa terminal. Hindi na kayo aabot ng rotonda. Doon na mismo sa terminal. Tapos, sakay ng jeep papunta ng People's Park. Tara. Sakay na tayo. May pila po? Wala. Walang pila.
Wala. Saan po ba kayo?
People's Park po.
Mabay dyan po kayo.
Magkano isa?
25 po isa.
Guys, andito na kami sa entrance ng People's Park. And the entrance fee is 30 pesos. And this is open from 7 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, sumakay ulit kami ng jeep. Pwede namang lakarin, kaya lang pataas siya. So, the fare sa jeep is 10 pesos each person. Guys, pagbaba nyo ng jeep, eto yung makikita nyo. The wishing well, pero wala siyang water. Opposite of the wishing well is this big pineapple that you can also take a picture. Marami kayong mabibiling pineapple dito sa Tagaytay na murang-mura lang. The People's Park in the Sky is often simply called People's Park, and the original name for this place is Palace in the Sky. It is a historical urban park in Tagaytay, Cavite. It was during Marcos era, First Lady Imelda Marcos decided to build a mansion atop Mount Sungay, which was at that time was government-owned land, to host the visit of U.S. President Ronald Reagan. The work was stopped when Reagan canceled his visit. So the park was converted from an incomplete mansion known as the Palace in the Sky. Since then, the scaffolding of the mansion is still intact. It's a beautiful weather, so masarap maglakad. So tara guys, baba naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga view dito sa baba ng People's Park. And guys, since this is weekdays, walang gaanong turista. That's why some of the stores were closed. There are few souvenir item shops here downstairs, but I did not check the price. And this is the view here sa baba ng People's Park. And this is more on walking, kaya magdala kayo ng water para hindi kayo ma-dehydrate. Ayan. So, walking lang tayo and sightseeing. So, if you are into walking, this place is good for you. Actually, guys, this People's Park is just like a circle. So, if we will going to exit in another end, we will going to end up in front of the People's Park. Ito yon. So, since we haven't go upstairs in this area, so let's go upstairs. Guys, this is the view here in another part. So you will see a statue here. It's huge actually. But since I'm not a Catholic, so I did not take a picture, just video. We already finished everything, so we're heading down. But there are still some tourists going up. So it's already around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, and we are tired of walking. And we will still walk going back to the entrance of People's Park. Yan, dyan tayo bababa. Sa dinaanan ng jeep. Oh. Going down naman yan, kaya okay lang. Oh, let's go. Let's keep moving. Hangin ba sa labas? Sobra. Ayan, pababa na kami. Mainit pa din. Mas okay na maglakad pababa kaysa maglakad paakyat dito. Kanina, sumakay kami sa jeep. 10 pesos lang per person. Ngayon, pagbaba, walking na lang kami. Kasi malapit lang naman, tsaka hindi na mahirap. Sa kabilang gilid kasi ang init. O, diba? Palusong siya kaya hindi mahirap lakaran. See you next time. Tagaytay. We're almost there, guys. And see you next time. People's Park in the Sky. Guys, from People's Park, you can ride a jeep going to the picnic grove. But right now, we are riding a tricycle going to our hotel. And the hotel is just right across Picnic Grove. We paid 100 pesos for the tricycle from People's Park to our hotel. Guys, we will stay in this place while we are here in Tagaytay. Gulo na ng buhok ko, guys. Ayan, nandito na kami sa one place, Tagaytay. Sabi, ito entrance. Pero parang nasa side kami.